Then we got Tony. Is Bells here? Bells? All right, they left. So we have Tony, Ken, and Robbie. Well, Tony gonna be in the 3, Ken 4, Robbie 5. All right, going in. Wrap a dong movement so
Tony
we don't
needs
get
a
hit.
lot of super truck races, Brian.
All right, guys, we're gonna get this race started. Let's take it easy. Oh, we got some unknown specimen on the back straight. I don't know who that is. Oh, that's Gino. My bad. All right, gentlemen, we're getting the race going. On the sound of the tone. I was just making fun of you. Don't worry. That's when we start. We got BG, Casey Nidal, and the super trucks. Rose locking up the back inside. Nidal right there, 3-wheel motion. Oh, we got a race out front. We got a race there. And we got a race in spec right now.
Couldn't see, Doug.
Tony and Ken going through the chicane. Oh, Casey sending it.
I don't know. All of a sudden it just...
Stop and go, Brian Gross. Stop and go.
For what?
And go. And there we go.
What'd you stop
Let's
for?
make it a race, boys.
Oh, he just wanted to...
Right now, we got BG out front. Nidal, he was shooting for him at the end of the straight. Oh, BG, 360 barrel roll. We'll give him points for tricks. But Casey now to the top spot. Casey had a good line through that chicane. A little bit more motor goes to BG. Oh, getting a little hung up. All right. Gross got a little bit to make up. Oh, Gross upside down. Yep. Oh, that's how you do it right there. Stop and go, Casey Nidal. Stop and go. All right, go ahead. And there we go. And we're racing.
You would have never came back from that.
3 to go, and it's Tony, Ken, Robbie, and Brian and Casey. Brian out front with 5 touch. Two big races right now. Tony and Ken in the middle of the S's, and Casey and Brian in the ranks. Here come the spec truck top 2 across the start finish. Tony bringing them around. And then the mod trucks hitting the ramp coming to the start finish line. They're halfway through, 2:30 to go. Once again, thank you everybody for your continued support of Ripon RC Speedway. We don't do this without you guys, so we really appreciate everyone coming out, having a great day with us. Asphalt Wars, round number 1 in 2 weeks, April 22nd. We got a trophy race at Central Fresno on the 23rd. We got the Cal State Championships May 13th. We've got West Coast Nationals May 6th. Two to go. Oh, we got a pile up in the front. That's gonna let Tony get away from Ken.
I couldn't get off. I couldn't turn.
Rookie, 8A, rookies, you are up next. My rookies, come on out to the track. You should be ready to put your cars down. Rookies. Ken 2.8 back. Casey just ahead of Brian going down the back straightaway. That's the race right now if you like the mod trucks. 18 seconds to go. We might get 2 more laps out of these two. Robbie trying to play blocker for his dad.
He was blocking his dad.
5 seconds to go. Let's see if they get another one. Race it to the line and you're done. Tony taking the win.
Tony great job. Ken Farmer done.
Oh, Casey getting the win. Brian rolling.